Welcome. In front of me I have ALCATEL 1S 2020, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in this device. You can find fingerprint sensor on the back, and I'm going to make a few tries. So let's check how it performs. So as you can see, it works really fast for that price range. You have to remember that it's a very cheap smartphone and it recognized my fingerprint every time, so that's the good point. So yeah, that's how the sensor works. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.